Right back. Do it again.
So it is Thursday, and I thought today I would introduce you to my sisters, and they're going to sing for you and maybe dance. So this is Fifi. It's Fifi. And then over here is Nora. So Nora, can you sing me can you sing me a song? Sing me. So I'll put my hands up. Nora, sing me. How does it go?
Nora, sing.
Nora, sing. No, come on. Come on. YMC. What goes after? What happens after YMC?
Shake your dupa.
Yeah, shake your dupa. She invented that song herself. Some nights I call it a no. So I put my not in my head like oh, Fifi's crying. Oh.
Nora, leave her alone.
You wanna dance to Gummy Bear? Okay.
Fifi, Gummy Bear?
1 sec. You want Gummy Bear? Okay. Taking a little while. Oh. You want to hold it? She likes to hold it.
You gotta dance.
Nora, sing. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Fifi, stop it. Start it, Nora.
Let me see.
Nora, do a somersault. Do
No, no.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks like it's restarting. Oh, never mind. How about we do it this way? Okay.
Nora, do a somersault. No.
I'm big.
You're big?
I'll get the ice.
Woo! Good job. Fifi, you dancing?
Fifi, do a somersault.
I got the bomb. I got the bomb, Mama.
Wait,